Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to remove the Siri's history or search history on this watch. First, let's press any of the buttons to wake up the screen on our watch. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the Siri option and tap on it. And here, scroll down, find the option called Siri History and select it. And here we can tap on Delete Siri History to remove basically the history of the dictation, interactions, and also search from the Apple Watch and Apple server. So let's tap on Delete Siri History, delete Siri History, and then tap on Dismissed. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you remove the history or rather Siri's history on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.